Hi there, my name is Liz Love, and first of all, I just wanted to take a quick second and thank you for reaching out to me about my challenge group. And second, I sort of just wanted to give you a little bit of information about who I am, my coaching journey, and then, information about what I'm doing and how I can help you get started right. So let me just dive right in and start with how I got started on my coaching journey. Back in May of 2014, my best friend was starting a program called the 21 Day Fix in Shakeology. I'm not sure if you've heard of it. Some people have, some people haven't. And she was like, come on, you got to try this with me. I really want to do this and see what it's like. I've heard great things about it. Let's do it. So I said no at first, and it took me a good, I want to say 2 months before I finally said yes to her after I saw her before and after pictures. I couldn't say yes to her right away because I was a gym rat. Let's be honest, I thought that that was the only way that I could get in shape and get the body that I was, searching for. I would spend 30 minutes on the elliptical or the treadmill before an hour class 6 days a week. So that's what I was doing when she approached me. So finally in May of 2014, I was like, fine, yes, I'm going to try it. Let's do it. I don't know what you're thinking about 30-minute workouts, how a 30-minute workout can change my body. And I don't really know what this Shakeology stuff is, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to give it a chance. So I gave it a chance and I did it for 3 months. And let me just be honest with you guys, it has completely changed my life. It completely changed my eating habits, my portion control. And it really just taught me that there are different ways out there of getting fit and healthy versus what most of us have been conventionally taught. Like, you got to go to the gym, you got to pound the pavement, you got to run 5 miles a day. It's just not true. It was a game changer for me, and so was Shakeology. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it, but it's basically it's not just basically, it's an amazing meal replacement shake. So back at that same time when I started the 21 Day Fix, I was diagnosed with some pretty crazy food allergies that were leaving me feeling really frustrated and really sick. I basically couldn't eat anything for breakfast. I couldn't have eggs. I didn't want to be having oatmeal every morning for breakfast because I had just read Grain Brain and, was trying to get away from so much grain. And then Shakeology magically appeared into my life. And I have to be honest with you guys, I'm sure some of you have seen stuff about it. You don't know until you try it. It has changed my life. It has helped me stay migraine free. It has helped me maintain my weight. It's helped my digestion. The magic word digestion. It has given me energy like I've never had before. I used to be a professional napper, as I like to call it, and have that really bad slump and that energy drop at like 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I just couldn't get my way back, and so I'd have to take a nap every day. I don't have to do that anymore unless I choose to. So it's really I like to tell everybody it is my favorite meal of the day, and it will always be my favorite meal of the day. There's so many amazing things in it: probiotics, digestive enzymes, superfoods, so many things packed into this one shake, and I have it every morning for breakfast. It's like my favorite thing. Can you tell? So that's how I got started. So I did that all for about 3 months, and then in August of 2014, she came back to me, my best friend, and was like, okay, do you want to become a coach? What do you think? And I was like, well, I don't really know what that means. I'm not sure about that. And then I think I thought about it for maybe 24 hours. There was just this gut feeling that I had because I knew how amazing I felt from doing the 21 Day Fix in Shakeology. And I thought to myself, if I can help another woman feel as amazing as I did and get her self-confidence back, boost her self-esteem, then that was 100% worth it for me. So I think I slept on it for like 24 hours, called her back the next morning, and I was like, sign me up. I had never coached anybody. I had never helped anybody like I was going to start doing, but I just knew in my gut that this was something that I had to do. So here I am, just about 18 months later, and honestly, it was the best decision I've ever made. I now run a pretty awesome team of coaches, and I also run monthly challenge groups. So let's talk about challenge groups, because most of you watching this video have no idea what that even means, because when I started, I had no clue what a challenge group was. So it's basically a private Facebook group for just women. And it's a place where we come together to support each other, keep each other accountable, and really just be there for one another. I mean, I feel like this day and age, it's really hard to find women to support you, and this has been a life-changing thing for me, and I can go out on a limb and say for all of my ladies who've been in my challenge groups over the past 18 months. So basically what we do is we post in there on a daily basis. It helps keep us accountable. So we post pictures of our meals, recipes, our favorite Shakeology recipes, our sweaty selfies. It's all really a place to come to get that accountability and hold yourself accountable. So I like to tell people that this is so much more than just drinking a shake. This is so much more than just going to the gym. You're getting a complete workup of things that, like, maybe you haven't been successful at the gym, and here's why: because you didn't have 24/7 accountability. You didn't have a coach that was there for you 24/7 to answer your questions and help, you know, make a program and fix it so it's perfectly fit for you. You didn't have amazing nutrition, meal plans, recipes. I've got all that for you, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, so in the group too, I have meal plans and recipes for you. So it's a pretty amazing thing. And that was just like a little glimpse into it. So watch this video, come back to me with questions, and let's figure out how we can get you started right with a program that fits you. It might be the 21 Day Fix. It might be something else. There's tons of different ones for people out there, and let's get you started with some superfoods, and let's just see how you do for 30 days. There's no risk for you, and I honestly believe that it will be a game changer for you, and you'll never look back. So I look forward to talking to you and having you join my next challenge group. So talk to you soon. Bye.